Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today introducing the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Puls edition by Mansory is an ultra-luxurious, high-performance variant of the iconic Phantom, showcasing bespoke craftsmanship and aggressive design cues. Mansory, known for its extravagant modifications, has taken the already prestigious Rolls-Royce Phantom and given it a bold new personality. Exterior design and enhancements. Mansory's take on the Phantom Puls edition introduces a more aggressive and commanding aesthetic, moving away from Rolls-Royce's traditionally understated elegance. Forged carbon fiber body kit. Mansory has fitted the Phantom with a forged carbon body kit, adding lightweight yet strong enhancements to the front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and a subtle rear spoiler. Redesigned front fascia. The larger front intakes, a redesigned splitter, and additional daytime running lights DRLs give the car a more aggressive and sporty presence while maintaining its regal aura. 24-inch custom alloy wheels. The Puls edition rides on massive 24-inch wheels, adding to its road presence and performance capabilities. Striking color combinations. Mansory offers custom paint finishes, often featuring dual-tone paint schemes with carbon fiber accents for a more eye-catching look. The result is a Rolls-Royce Phantom that stands out even more, appealing to those who desire exclusivity and flamboyance. Performance upgrades. While the standard Rolls-Royce Phantom is known for its smooth and effortless power delivery, Mansory has enhanced its performance to match its aggressive new look. 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine. The stock Phantom's 570 horsepower and 665 pound-feet of torque have been boosted to 602 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque in the Puls edition. Enhanced exhaust system. The upgraded Sport exhaust system delivers a more aggressive, deeper exhaust note, adding a touch of sportiness to the Phantom's otherwise serene ride. Performance-tuned suspension. Mansory has fine-tuned the adaptive air suspension to offer improved handling while still maintaining the car's signature smooth ride. While not built for high-performance driving like a sports car, the extra power and refined chassis ensure the Puls edition moves with more urgency than the standard Phantom. Interior luxury and customization. Inside, the Mansory Phantom Puls edition retains Rolls-Royce's legendary handcrafted luxury, but with extra personal touches that elevate exclusivity. Bespoke leather and Alcantara upholstery. The cabin features premium quilted leather, Alcantara headliners, and contrast stitching, all customized to the owner's preferences. Carbon fiber and wood trim. High-end materials like forged carbon fiber, polished wood veneers, and aluminum accents enhance the luxury factor. Starlight headliner with custom patterns. The Rolls-Royce signature Starlight headliner can be customized with bespoke constellations and even animations. Upgraded infotainment and comfort features. The Phantom Puls edition comes with state-of-the-art technology, including a high-end sound system, rear seat entertainment displays, and ambient lighting for a modern yet classic luxury experience. The interior is a sanctuary of opulence, tailored to meet the precise demands of each client. Who is the Phantom Puls edition for? The Mansory Phantom Puls edition is designed for those who want more than just standard luxury. It appeals to high-net-worth individuals, celebrities, and collectors who seek a truly unique, high-performance, and visually striking version of the Rolls-Royce Phantom. With its bold design, improved performance, and bespoke luxury, this limited edition Phantom by Mansory is a statement car, one that turns heads while delivering an unparalleled driving experience. Would you like more details on pricing, availability, or a comparison with other ultra-luxury sedans? Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.